It's another choice. Please subscribe and click on the bell. And today I show you filler for hair. It's effect lamination hair at home. How to achieve beautiful silky hair at home. Salon effect at home, it's really work. This is product for perfect dry, damaged and colored hair. And today I will show you how it to use at home. Let's go!
Rinse your hair without using conditioner. Then let your hair down by 30%. The liquid in a ceramic dish. One-to-one, you can measure it directly with the same bottle in which the liquid was. Attention, the water must be cold. Then the magic happens. We see how the usual liquid turns into a cream before our eyes. Apply the cream along the entire length and put the bag on your hair. And wrap the hair in cling film and then in a towel. And heat the hair with a hair dryer 15 to 20 minutes. And then just rinse your hair with water without shampoo. You will see the result immediately. The hair is loose, lively and shiny. How do you like this hair at home? Great, right? I hope you like my video, guys.
I hope you guys enjoy watch my video, and please subscribe, put a like and click on the bell.
Don't forget subscribe, guys. Bye bye.